After upgrading to Essential, you have the ability to migrate your PICO cloud deployment over to an on-site server to manage your deployment locally and not be restricted to having a cloud-only environment. This is managed in two different ways. One, the PICO server, an Intel NUC, is a compact server that lives directly on your network and hosts all of your products locally. This hosts your work instructions, images, captured information, and other databases needed to manage your deployment. This is all managed directly by PICO and functions as a black box in your environment to be able to host all of your services locally. The second piece that supports that is the PICO Edge device. These devices allow for scanners, monitors, and other devices to be connected locally as part of the Essential package. And when you upgrade to the Professional, you can connect other USB, RS-232, and Ethernet tools to these devices to be able to communicate to these servers. These are essentially a translation layer between all of those digital input-output tools back to the server to be able to integrate to your work instructions accordingly.